Hey guys, the SSJ3 here. So today I shot a bird, and right now he is still alive and in this box. He has been bleeding quite a bit, but he's surprisingly he's tough. I'll tell you that. So there's a little wound here and one underneath him over here. And so yeah, I'm kind of worried about that, but who knows? He might make it, because
God does good things.
I say I shot him about 20 minutes ago.
Yeah, well, it was like, what, 2:22, I think, when we head outside. So yeah, something like around that.
2:22.
Yeah. Or was that when I got the paper towel?
2:22.
Oh, no, it was around 4.
Yeah, so maybe I shot him 30 minutes ago, but I don't know if you guys can see that, but he is breathing.
He's a strong little fella.
So I got him a little drink, and I got him some seeds or some rice. And no, rice doesn't kill him. That's just a myth. 'Cause if rice did kill birds, there'd be like over 1,000 dead birds in my backyard right now. But hopefully this guy makes it.
Yeah.
Hopefully I can get an update on this stuff tomorrow. So I'll see you guys later. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one.